What's going on, people? It's Craig Mitch here. I'm here with OKX, the official training kit partner of Manchester City Football Club. And we're here to keep up with crypto. And today I'm joined by Erling Haaland, Riyad Mahrez, and of course Nathan Ake. Do you guys know anything about crypto?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit? You good with challenges?
Not really.
Who's the best at challenges, would you say?
Riyad. No, Riyad.
Riyad.
It's mind games. They're playing the mind games already. All right, let's get into the first one. First challenge called the first leg. You got 30 seconds. I'm gonna ask you 3 questions each. If you get a question right, you get the opportunity to put it in the basket. You can't dribble or use your hands. Anything else goes. All right, you ready? Who is Manchester City's all-time top goal scorer? Sergio Aguero or Bill Gillespie?
Aguero.
It is, go. Oh! Right. What does NFT stand for? Not for trading or non-fungible token?
The other one, the second one.
Yes, go. Oh! All right. Who sang Wonderwall? Coldplay or Oasis?
Second one.
Oasis. Let's go.
No!
Oh.
Last one.
That's it. Who has more Manchester City appearances? Alan Oakes or Vincent Kompany?
Company.
Incorrect. Which is not a cryptocurrency? Shiba coin or squirrel coin?
Shiba coin.
Incorrect.
Oh my God.
You got 2
I
wrong.
don't know about Shiba.
It's 10 seconds left.
How many league titles do Man City have?
8.
Correct.
Like I did.
No,
No, like this.
Yeah,
Why?
you can. That's what he said.
Why?
What is OKX ambassador Ian Poulter's nickname? Is it the delivery man or the postman?
The postman.
Correct, let's go. Oh! What was the first decentralized cryptocurrency ever created? Was it Ethereum or Bitcoin?
Bitcoin.
It was Bitcoin, let's go. Oof, so not as close that time. All right, when did Pep Guardiola join Man City? Was it 2016 or 2014?
16.
It was 2016, let's go.
Not good, I'm not good
no.
in first then.
No, you guys.
Oh, all right.
How can you give me the same points as them when I shoot from here?
That's just the point.
Come on, guys.
He wants more points. Second round, OKX marks the spot. You get the opportunity to pass the ball into the area if you get a question right. Get in the area, you get a point. Also though, there's a catch. You can knock someone else's ball out and they lose a point.
Oh, they have to stay in there.
All right, let's do this, Nath, what is OKX ambassador Daniel Ricciardo's nickname? Is it the honey badger or the rabbit?
Honey badger.
Let's go.
No, too much. No, way too much.
How old is OKX ambassador Lando Norris? 23 or 28?
I think 23.
Correct.
Not bad, not bad.
Oh, I didn't have the accuracy. What sport does OKX ambassador Scotty James compete in? Is it gymnastics or snowboarding?
Snowboarding.
Correct.
Well done.
No, where's the points? What's going on?
Come on.
When was OKX founded? Was it 2017?
Yes.
It was 2017.
No, too much again.
Oh, it's good, huh?
No, too much.
Oh! Which blockchain recently completed an upgrade called the Merge? Was it Dogecoin or Ethereum?
Ethereum.
Correct.
Oh, kick him out.
Not bad.
Kick him out.
Oh, point!
No.
1 point.
Remember, you can hit his out.
Yeah, but give me a good question.
Where do you store cryptocurrency? Is it a crypto wallet or a crypto bucket?
Ah, it's crypto wallet.
It is a crypto wallet. Let's go.
No, what are you doing?
Oh, okay, you get a point each. Round 3, the final. This is simply a 30-second quiz. All right, Riyad, you ready? What band were the Gallaghers in? Oasis or Westlife?
First, second one.
No, it's Oasis. Who was the women's team's top scorer last season? Lauren Hemp or Chloe Kelly?
Second one.
No. What is known as the perfect hat trick? Left foot, right foot, and header, or 3 left foot strikes?
No, the first one.
First one, yes, that's 1 point. Who is Manchester City's official cryptocurrency exchange partner? Bybit or OKX?
OKX.
Yep. Which F1 team are OKX the primary partner of, Mercedes or McLaren?
McLaren.
Correct. This supporting style right here, is it called the Poznan or the Warsaw?
The first one.
Yes. That's time.
I don't understand his accent, please, guys.
Blaming me.
When you were shooting.
Riyad, you're blaming me. You ready? Which Man City players scored in the last Manchester derby? Was it Foden and Haaland or Cancelo and Haaland?
Foden, Haaland.
Correct. Who invented Bitcoin? Was it Satomi Nakamoto or Joey Pomp?
First one.
Correct. How long is a game of men's rugby union? 90 minutes or 80 minutes?
80 minutes.
That's correct. What did Pep say OKX is in the new OKX global campaign? A new formation or a new fashion label?
New information.
That's correct. What is Julian Alvarez's nickname? The spider or the crab?
Spider.
That's correct. What goes into a BLT? Bacon, lettuce and turkey or bacon, lettuce and tomato?
Second one.
That's correct. When did Gareth Taylor become the head coach of Manchester City's women's team? 2020 or 2018?
20.
That's correct. Where did the Manchester City women's team finish last season? Third or fourth?
Fourth.
Incorrect. Name the players in this OKX illustration.
Haaland, Rodri, John Stones, Grealish.
Incorrect. Who scored England's women's winning goal in Euros 2022? Was it Chloe Kelly or...
Kelly.
Yeah, it was. Name this Manchester City legend.
Shawn Phillips.
That's correct. When was the Women's Super League founded? 2010 or 2009?
9.
No. What is OKX? A new football tactic or a cryptocurrency exchange? Yep. Who was Manchester City's men's team's last signing in the summer transfer window? Manuel Akanji or Sergio Gomez?
Manuel Kanji, what
That's
did
correct.
you say?
That's it. The winner with 9 points is the one and only Nathan Ake, everyone. That's it. He's won it. This is the forfeit right here.
Oh, this is a bit too tight.
Okay.
The winner. Nathan, how'd you feel, man? Give us some words. How you feeling?
Feel good, you know?
Yeah?
Because Riyadh was the favorite. But in the end, to win, yeah, great feeling.
People
So
gonna
many
see the
excuses,
video,
it's
gonna
crazy.
see. I score from here at the same point as him.
These guys are going to be arguing all day long. Big thank you to OKX and Manchester City Football Club. They got on, they competed. We'll see you next time and look out for some great content.